Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how you can get different airdrops on different blockchains. It is going to be a beginner friendly tutorial, so you don't have to worry about it whether you will be able to understand it or not, because I have also created tutorial videos on our channel itself, so you can check them out as well. So let's get started with it already. Now in this video, we will take the example of Cosmos airdrops and also Solana airdrops, how you can get them. So this way you would be able to understand how this airdrop system works. So on Cosmos, this is the blockchain of Cosmos and their projects on it. The Celestia is there, and each of the project that you see over here has its token, or if they don't have their token, then they will be releasing their token in the future. And this way, in order to release that particular token, they want their project to be adopted by people, and in order to market their project in market quite well, the airdrop strategy comes in. And this is just like the free samples that we get in our traditional world with different products. So this way, airdrops promote them in the ecosystem of crypto. Now, in order to participate in these airdrops, you need different wallets. So you can do the required task in order to get eligible for that particular airdrop. Suppose you wanted to participate in Cosmos Ecosystems airdrop and it is for injective, then you need to have injectives. That's why the price pumps are there in injective, and because people are purchasing injective to get the airdrops. So let's see how we can do it. For this, you will be requiring Kepler wallet, and you can check the video out on how you can create Kepler wallet and how you can send your funds from Kepler wallet to Kepler wallet or another centralized exchanges to Kepler wallet. Every video is there on our channel itself. Now, if you have the funds on your Kepler wallet, you just have to click on this option of staked. And after that, just simply click on this option of stake with Kepler dashboard. Now this will open up and redirect you to a different page. And over here, if you have the injective, it will be shown here. In case if you have Celestia, then it will also be shown over here. You can become eligible for almost all the airdrops on Cosmos using this particular method. Like if you have Celestia and you wanted to stake it and get the airdrop from Celestia, then you can just simply stake it using this method as well. In case if you had Celestia, it will be shown over here. But let's take the example of injective, how you can stake injective. And in the similar way, you can stake other tokens or coins as well, like Celestia, Atom, and Osmosis. So let's select injective for now. And in the second step, it will ask us to select the validator. Now we can select different validators over here, but make sure to check the commissions of these validators. And after checking in the commission, make sure that you go with someone who has lower commissions. And also, the people on the higher end has more people staking with them, so you can just go with the people who are at the bottom end in order to make it truly decentralized, this particular system, as more people staking with any particular validator will give them higher voting power in the ecosystem of Cosmos. So you can just go with the lower ones. Sometimes some particular validator also announces their airdrop, like this Black Panther over here. They are actually telling it out that if you delegate your injective with them, they will be able to give you the airdrop. And there are some other validators as well who are giving us the airdrop, like this one, High Stakes. They are also giving the airdrop. So you can just select the validator. Suppose you select this one. After that, it will give you this prompt of staking. Just make sure that you also see this option of unbonding period, which basically means that if you stake injective with these validators, you won't be able to get your injective until 21 days. You will be able to get it only after, or basically unstake your injective after 21 days. So make sure that your funds are liquid enough and you won't be requiring these funds in next 21 days. So just simply click on this option of stake. And also make sure that you keep some injective with you in order to pay the fees. And as we know that every transaction on this blockchain will require to pay some gas fees. So keep some injective on your wallet in order to pay different fees. So this way you would be able to stake and be eligible for the airdrops. In the similar way, you can stake other tokens as well. And this is how you participate on Cosmos Ecosystems airdrop. Now let's check how we can do it on Solana. For that, we will see different protocols or websites like Marinate Soul. Their rewards has already been announced, and unfortunately I deposited just one soul and I was able to earn 0.22 Marinate over here, but in order to claim it you would require at least one Marinate Soul. So I just lost this particular airdrop, and their mining program might be starting in future again in order to get it. So this is of no use as of now, but you can go with the margin fi, and all you have to do is just supply some Solana or Jito Soul or M Soul. Or M Soul is basically when you stake your M Soul over here, you get, when you stake Solana on Marinate Soul, you get M Soul in liquidity. So you can provide that particular M Soul on margin fi, and this way you would be earning these points. You get 1.2 supply liquidity, and you get 4 points if you borrow the funds from margin fi. So the people who are actually borrowing from margin fi will be getting more points. You can just create your strategy, and after that you would be able to participate in these airdrops. But for Solana airdrops you would require Phantom Wallet, and I have also created a Phantom Wallet tutorial how you can set up your Phantom Wallet on our channel. You can check that out. So just supply the funds on margin fi and you would be eligible for airdrop. For that, just simply click on this option of supply, and if in case you have the funds, just simply select that and you would be able to click on this option of supply and you would be able to do that. Now let's check other platform as well. It is called Soul Blaze, and over here also just connect your wallet and type the amount that you want to stake and click on stake. This way you would be able to get B Soul, and you can stake that particular B Soul on Camino Finance. Over here you would be able to stake the B Soul like I have staked, and with just one Solana on Soul Blaze you would be able to get B Soul also and would be able to get eligible for Camino Finance. So just one soul would make you eligible for 2 different airdrops, or you can just simply split your Solana in half and half in order to participate in more platforms in order to get the airdrop. But sometimes the people who are supplying more funds basically get more rewards. So this is how it all works everywhere. More money attracts more money. That's how poor gets poorer and richer gets richer. But let's not go in that debate as of now, and check out our other platform, and it is called as Drift. And over here you have the similar functionality like providing the liquidity or borrowing the funds, but make sure that you have at least $50 in order to participate in the Drift ecosystem, because they charge some amount as renting, or which is refundable by the way. So you would be able to get refund after 7 days. So just provide the liquidity over here and you would be eligible for it. Now let's talk about another project, and it is called as Saga. All you have to do is just provide liquidity, and I have provided just a small liquidity over here. Just open up Saga and scroll down. After that select networks, then select Solana. Now you can select any of the projects over here. I selected the first one, and after that you can just simply enter the amount and deposit it. It is in USDC, so in case if you want to be eligible for it, you can simply convert your Solana into USDC on Jupiter, and Jupiter is also announcing some airdrops. So one airdrop has been completed on Jupiter as of now. There are some more to come, and in order to be eligible for that, just simply do the swaps. You don't have to provide liquidity over here. Just do the swaps, put limit orders, do DCA or bridge. Just using their platform will make you eligible for the airdrop. You don't have to deposit anywhere. So just convert your Solana into USDC, and after that supply it on Saga. This way you would be eligible for Sega as well. You can also go with the Tensor. I have not covered Tensor in this video, but in case if you want to see it, then you can just comment down below. And also I will be providing all these links in the description. You can get all these links from the description directly, so to avoid all these scams out there. Now let's check one last project, which is of Celestia. For this you will require Kepler wallet. Kepler wallet will be required for almost all the projects on Cosmos. It is basically a Cosmos wallet. And for Solana you require Phantom wallet. So make sure that you have these wallets. Just get Celestia in your Kepler wallet from any particular exchange of your choice. After that, open up milkyway.zone. Here, just type the amount of Celestia and stake it. And you would be earning 14.4% APR. And that was about the airdrops and the different APRs that you get. APRs are different than the airdrops. Airdrop is like a bonus that you get, and sometimes you get them out of the blue, and it might even take some months in order to receive these airdrops. Sometimes you get these airdrops like 3 to 5 months later. So just do the tasks and get eligible for them, and when the time comes you will be able to receive them. And good luck with all the airdrops. I hope this video was helpful. If so, you can just simply like this video and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And you can check out the playlist of different tutorials in case if you want to learn about crypto. So see you in the next video.